Radixas, welcome to our Financial Facts channel. We Radixas will give you some valuable tips and tricks on how you can make yourself financially independent regardless of what you earn now and where you live now. Today we are going to discuss about stock and how it works. First of all, let's see what is stock. Stock represents an ownership interest of a company, which is also called as equity or share, which may be a part of a private company or a public company. Now let's see how it works. Let's assume your neighborhood is running a coffee shop and making 10k profit out of it monthly, and the total value of the shop is 100k. Now he wants to expand his business by opening another branch that would cost him another 100k. Now he doesn't have sufficient money to open another coffee shop. Either he has to seek for a bank loan where he has to pay more interest to the bank, or he can approach investors by opening a stock option where investors can buy stock for certain percentage of his ownership. As an investor, if you buy 10% of his stock, then you'll be owning 10% of the shop. Now let's apply the same to the real life example. Coca-Cola is a well-known company which exists for several decades. In 2008, Coca-Cola sold its stock for $24. In 2018, the stock price is $45, and every year their dividend yield value is around 4%. So, if you would have invested in Coca-Cola from 2008 to 2018, every year, if you would have bought 8 to 10 stocks based on your income, your total investment cost will be approximately around $2,750 based on the current market value of the share, which is $45 plus compound interest plus dividend. Total will be around $8,800, which is more than tripled your income. Think about how much you would have gained if you have deposited in bank every year at the same sequence at the rate of 5 to 6% interest, and the total amount will be around $3,700. Now it's time for you to think and decide which one is the best investment that works for you. The dividend which I mentioned above is a profit shared to the stockholders by the company. It is very important to understand the business and the growth of the company before you make your investment. It is important to have an awareness of what speculator, day traders and institutional investor do with the stock market and why investor no need to worry about them. We will cover all of them in our future videos. Thank you for watching. In our next video, let's see how bond